My kids always break the car chargers. This is absolutely amazing. Plug it up. Lights up. But look at this. Retractable cords. You don't have to worry about these loose cords and them getting ripped or stuck underneath the car or anything. They're retractable. Absolutely amazing. It lights up, and then you've got other slots here to go ahead and add different chargers. It's a 4-in-1. Cannot beat that, especially since I have 3 kids, 3 different tablets, and my phone. So we are all taken care of here. Grab it out, plug it up, and go. Absolutely amazing. Grab it today, guys. And this moves too.